Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 305 different strategies, with 96 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 198 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,013 indicators, with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says how these small traders are beating the market with ease. And so a little bit weird on the grammar there, but basically believe that they're saying that with this strategy is how the small traders are beating the market. And of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what this strategy can do. So let's go ahead and just hide these two indicators. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Darvis box buy sell indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and click on the settings. Go to the inputs, and under the length, you're going to change that to 7. Click OK, and everything else stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend quality indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one, add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this one as well. So what we're going to do is under the slow length, we're going to change that to 14. The trend length, we're going to change that to 7, and we're going to uncheck the B indicator right here. Then jump into the settings, or the styles of the settings, and then we will turn down the opacity of color 0, color 2, 3, 4, color 0, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And color 1, you're going to make green, and color 3, you're going to make red. Click OK, and everything else stays on the default. And so what we're looking for is when we get a buy signal like this, a buy tag from the Darvis box indicator, we then want to look down to the trend quality, and we want it to have a green bar like this here. When those line up, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at the lower red line right here of the Darvis box, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You see that we make a really nice climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for the sell tag like this here from the Darvis box indicator. At the same time, we're going to look down to the trend quality, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. When those two line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here, put our stop right here at the green upper line, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800 on the losing side. You'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So, not sure if you're going to beat the market with this strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 55 trades altogether. We had 44 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $26,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $13,200. So significantly better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs, and this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 8 trades altogether. We had 2 winning, 6 losing. That puts us at a 25% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of $3,960. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 2 winning, 2 losing. A 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $520. For the week, we would have been down $4,480 at the 33-week total. Now we would have been up $44,610 over 260 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So a little bit of a drawdown for the week, but that's just how trading is. You have good weeks and bad weeks, and it will definitely recover, as you can see it has many times before. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.